I'm reviewing this humidifier. It has a very nice sleek look. It has a nice display which shows the current humidity in the surrounding area of the humidifier. It has a couple of settings. One is how much of the mist you want to control out, and you can do this here. It has low, medium, and high, and then two other settings, which is automatic. And the automatic is not to have the humidifier turn off, but basically it's just to control the mist. So for example, as according to the instructions, it said if the humidity is less than 47%, it will be in high fog. And then if it's 48% to 52%, it's medium fog. And then if it's greater than 53%, the fog will go down to 53%. And it will continue to do so until there is no more water, or perhaps, it didn't say this in the manual, until the hours that you have desired here. And you can control that here with this little clock. And it goes really, really high. I think, yeah, 12 hours from 1 to 12. And then the night mode, which turns the little night light and the display off. It's a little bit noisy, more than others, but I mean, not that much. I'm sure you could hear it. It does have a filter for small particles, and in the back it has a little area where you can put essential oils, but there's no sponge or anything like that, and it has like little slots, and I'm not sure, I haven't tried it, how that would work if you put the oils in. I think it will just fall right through. And I hope this video helps.
Alright, so here's an extra compartment if you want to use this for aromatherapy. You would put that in here. That actually pushes in. You have your charger port here. This is the back. This is the top over here. You can twist this so you can control where you want the mist to flow at. And it does turn all the way around. You can take the top off. Water already in there. So this is great for aromatherapy, as well as using it for your plants or for yourself. Power it on here. It does have where's the timer? Right here. So you can do like, you can put an automatic, low, medium, high. Do it again. Automatic, low, medium, high. I like to put it on automatic. You can turn that off if you don't want the light on while it is blowing out steam. You can see it right there. Okay. Also, you can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, and 12 hours. Okay. You can turn it up, like I said. So I like to keep it on automatic. It does have a light in here for nighttime. You can twist this. So I was misting my plants yesterday with it. So if you take this part off, it's going to come out. It's going to shoot out. You can't really tell this way. It's going to shoot out 3 different ways. Alright. So I'll do it this way so the mist can go over there to my plant.
Okay, so this is on high. This is on low. Can I get a sense of the steam? This is on medium. This is on high.
This is the ultrasonic smart humidifier. It's very quiet. So this is low speed. And this is high speed. Still quiet, you just hear a little bit more of the water. Still quiet.
Clean water. Scrubbed it all out. Won't stay on.
It's definitely working. I love it. This is the box that comes with it. Very easy to assemble, guys.
It's in the trash. That's the photo. It sucks. Don't buy it.